Red's R5T with new bearings. The piston and sleeve got damaged because of the rear bearing. The rear bearing particles, metal particles in the engine. I have scratches on the piston and the sleeve. Still has good compression and pinch, but definitely got damaged. So I hope that I can find a replacement piston and sleeve to rebuild this engine, but for the moment I'm pretty sure that this one will it will run. Let's try with these new bearings. And the Hypex 2135. Whoa. Perfect. Two minutes soon. 2 minutes. 4 days with the Dusty and I cannot tune that engine. I mean, the Dusty runs, she runs, but it's just so inconsistent. Look at this one. I changed the pipe, I changed the head shimming, I changed the bearings, and this thing is running perfect. I'm gonna lower the idle a little bit. I forgot my temp gun, but I don't need a temp gun with this engine. Track's really wet. The wet Astro is very, very slippery.